Control structures. A program statement that causes a jump of control from one part of a program to another is called as control structure or control statement, which means a control structure controls the flow of program execution. There are three important control structures. They are sequential, alternative or branching, iterative or looping. The first control structure is sequential statement. A sequential statement is composed of a sequence of statements which are executed one after another. Let us see a general example. How do we make noodles? We will make noodles by pouring a cup of water in a pan. Then we'll bring water to boil and add masala and noodles into it. So these are the sequence of steps we'll be following while preparing a noodles. Likewise, while writing in a program, there are sequence of statements. Each statement in a program will be executed one after another. So steps or statements are performed in sequence is known as sequential statement. So a sequential statement is composed of a sequence of statements which are executed one after another. So ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராமில் நிறைய ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கும். அந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் வந்து ஒன் பை ஒன்னாக எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆகிறது தான் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா சீக்வென்ஷியல் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட். Let us see a practical example. So click on File, New File to work in a script mode. So this is an example for sequential statement. So in the first statement, I'll be giving a print of hello everyone. So in the second statement, I'll be giving a print of this is about sequential statement. So now save your file by clicking on File, Save. I'll be giving the file name as SEQ. By default, all the Python files will be saved with the extension .py. Click on Save. Now I want to execute this program. For that, click on Run module. You can see the output got executed in the shell window. Here the first statement is print hello everyone. So hello everyone got printed. Then the second statement is print. This is about sequential statement. So this is about sequential statement will get printed in the second line. So in sequential statement is composed of a sequence of statements which are executed one after another. So the statements are executed one after another. That is, first statement is hello everyone. So that will get executed. Then the second statement is this is about sequential statement. So that will be executed in the output screen. Thank you.